Hi all, welcome to my channel Magic Seekers. Today I'm going to give a demo of iLife A9S 2-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner which does sweeping and mopping both. Video in two parts. First part is about sweeping and second part is about mopping and maintenance. Now we'll start with quick unboxing. The box contains robot vacuum cleaner and additional accessories. It contains this main body. This has one power on and off button. This is the start button. This is the camera. It's for visual mapping. And few are the sensors here. These are the side brush. This is the front wheel. This is the side wheel, back wheel. And this is the main brush. These two are the charging points for the charging station. And this is the dustbin. We'll talk about the additional accessory which we receive in the bag. This one pair of side brushes which we receive in the box, and then we have a charging station, and this is the electro wall, and we have one remote, and in this small box we have mopping attachment. This is the mopping attachment which we have to put here. After this will go here. After removing the sweeping, we can put the mopping attachment. Also get this cleaning brush, one HEPA filter, this is the main brush, and one extra mopping cloth. The demo of sweeping functionality. It just takes one click to sweep our complete house. So here we have put little of dust. Let's see how our robot is going to clean it. Also automatically navigates very well through obstacles, furniture and doormats in the house. So now we can also see the live location of the robot in the map. See, this is the red spot you can see. This is the location of the robot. You can see it has created a map wherever he has gone and cleaned. So This is the kitchen area, and then this is the dining hall, this is the other 2 bedroom, and this is the living room. Approximately 45 minutes to clean my entire house of 1300 square feet area. Now let's look at the dust collected after cleaning the house. Before that, let me tell you that I haven't cleaned my house for 2 to 3 days to show you how much dust it gets collected in 2-3 days. So this is the dust. Let's empty the dustbin. Let's open it. See, this is the dust collected. Now we'll clean it with this cleaning brush. You can see there are small particles of grains, hairs, small pieces of paper. Is a very cool feature of auto schedule. Here is the button. If you don't want to start robot manually, you can schedule a fixed time every day, and robot will automatically start and clean the entire house and come back to the charging station. Now I'll bring the robot to this spot for on-spot cleaning, and this is the on-spot button. On-spot mode has been started. Now suppose you want to clean the edges of the house, only the edges. So for that, this is the button, edge mode. Mode is Power Max mode. Want a deep clean of the house, this is the button for Power Max. If you want your robot to enter a particular area in your house, you can just put an electro wall like I have kept it there. It will restrict the robot to enter that area, so that this area is restricted area. So the next feature is cliff detection. If you have stairs in your house, it will not fall from the stairs. You can see it has detected the cliff. We have kept it on table to explain you guys. See. So it doesn't fall from stairs. So if you want to send your robot for recharge, you just have to click a button of home. Watching. Please like, comment and share. In the next video, I'll show the demo of robot's mopping functionality and its maintenance. Please subscribe to my channel to see the latest video.